Welcome to Discover Agriculture, where we explore the beauty of nature intertwined with the art of business. Today, we embark on a journey into the enchanting realm of bonsai plant farming, a fusion of horticulture, artistry, and entrepreneurship. Bonsai, with its origins deeply rooted in ancient Asian cultures, has captivated minds and hearts worldwide with its miniature marvels. Join us as we unravel the secrets behind cultivating these living masterpieces into a flourishing business venture. Before diving into the business, it's essential to grasp the essence of bonsai. It's not merely about growing small trees in pots. It's an art form that embodies harmony, balance, and patience. Each bonsai tells a story of its own, reflecting the beauty of nature in a confined space. Selecting the right species is crucial for a successful bonsai farming business. Consider factors such as climate, soil type, and customer preferences. Popular choices include ficus, juniper, pine, and maple, each offering unique characteristics and challenges. Mastering bonsai techniques is akin to mastering an ancient craft. Pruning, wiring, repotting, these are just a few skills you'll need to hone to sculpt your bonsai into exquisite forms. Investing time and effort in learning these techniques will set your business apart. Now that you've acquired the knowledge, it's time to set up your bonsai nursery. Choose a location with ample sunlight and good drainage. Invest in quality pots, tools, and fertilizers. Your nursery is not just a place of business, it's a sanctuary where the art of bonsai comes to life. Patience is key in the world of bonsai. As you cultivate your collection, remember that each tree is a work in progress. Nurture them with care, observe their growth, and let them evolve into living masterpieces. Your dedication will be reflected in the beauty of your bonsai. In conclusion, venturing into the bonsai plant farming business is not just about profits. It's about nurturing a timeless art form and sharing its beauty with the world. From understanding the essence of bonsai to mastering its intricate techniques, every step in this journey is an opportunity for growth and creativity. So, let's embark on this enchanting journey together and watch our bonsai dreams blossom into reality. Stay tuned to Discover Agriculture for more insights into the wondrous world of nature and business. Happy bonsai farming!